Have you been disappointed in your past? Have you wasted your time in 2020, 2021, even 2022? Leave whatever you did in the past. Go to plan your future with brilliant work to deal with yourself. You develop your skill with motivation to change your life. There are successful goal settings, but it depends on motivating yourself by motivation. Psychologists, entrepreneurs are billionaires. How is it possible? Ready to feel your goal is simple. Then you are going to the luckiest one for a new year. Are you thinking about achieving goals? If yes, so follow the steps moving on. Your work will fill the large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is the great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keeping looking. Don't settle. As with all matters of the earth, you will know when you find it. The first step, improve your performance. Work hard, day and night, even though you count your every second during your targets. That's going to be tough to improve at once, but to keep it consistent with a purposeful life. Start by identifying your values, ability, and expressions. To underline your goal values in units and think that's going to define me. Or I shall define myself. My success will define myself. But this is the time to disappear, to keep or live in the shadow of destinations. And knowing the environment would be meaningful in your life, bring changes in your life. What you have done mistakes in the past year, now you have to encounter those in this new year. Motivate yourself with famous personalities, quotes, and experience. The second step, fill in your schedule for a new year. It's time to look toward the yearly calendar to design plans. Make choice to write strategies of your weekend, monthly events, birthday or marriage celebration and family time, and think that's going to be realistic. And ensure your work is intelligent, specific, and relevant to your goals. Thoughts will also be fun to set the complete year theme for your destinations. Focus and enjoy by asking yourself what's behind the goal and what impact it will have on your life. Enjoy every moment of your life and celebrate every event, no matter how small. Give time to exercise and play games that will refresh you. The third step, make a timetable for your daily routine. It is important to manage or create a plan with your time and schedule, and it will be a deal. The idea is to manage the time and schedule with daily focus, make more progress towards reaching goals, even display a chart to write your every specific time. Then check your goal in mid-year. Is it a good idea to make sure how you on the track? Or anything you need to change or to give more time as you have targeted yearly plans, included rest time in your daily timetable. Make gatherings with your best friends who will remove the fatigue of your entire day. Keep your actions in balance. Do not be too lazy and do not be oversmart. The fourth step, New Year Goal Setting Worksheet. Setting reasonable goals must start with categories and adjustments necessary for the value goals according to your wishes. It must be listed to get the right tools, focus, and place. I hope you are going to do the fantastic work. First, write all your dreams for the year, then pick what will change in reality and target the small group that successfully achieved their goals as you need and wish for that. Fifth step, innovative work with ideas. How do you learn how to use the intelligent skill to get more results? So, if you would like to become an intelligent master of your work, then practice it and practice it again and again until you achieve your goals. You must remind yourself that the year isn't going to be a failure, but a resolution to realize your life dreams, to improve your wisdom, and to create a plan on how to get there. The final step, be confident in your dreams. Take a deep breath and think positive thoughts. You are not alone. Promise yourself that there will be the final thoughts to make New Year's resolution to keep it continue. There must be still be hope. What sets success or failure? You are going to doubt your talent and ability, but you must be brave and live brave inside of your body and be confident with a strong heart that every day is the best in my year for my dreams till will be the winner. If you take a look at what you have been achieved already, you will never lose confidence.